guys, this is Patrizio, and the airplane here in my back is the Tucano replica. An airplane built in Sicily, Italy by a company named Flying Legend, which idea was to give and build an airplane capable of giving the pilot the sensation of flying a military aircraft. In fact, this one is the replica of the light attack and military training from Brazil. As I mentioned before, this airplane is very fun to fly because of its great performances. In fact, we have a cruise speed of 150 knots through airspeed and a stall speed in landing configuration of 45 knots. In addition, our load factor is up to +6, -3 Gs at a maximum takeoff weight of 650 kilos, which are 1,430 pounds. In that case, this gives the possibility to perform some basic aerobatic maneuvers such as hammerheads, aileron roll, looping, and Cuban aids. In case of cross-country flights, we can load the airplane up to 750 kilos, which are 1,650 pounds, but we would have to lower the load factor at +4 and -2 Gs. USA, this airplane is certified as an experimental amateur-built aircraft. In fact, our basic kit is approved by the FAA for the 51% rule. At the same time, the amateur builder can be helped to bring his own kit to different product steps using our network of dealers all over the country and our assistance builder service. But for any other additional infos, you can visit us at flyinglegendusa.com. Ciao!